Actually, naka-receive ako ng message from one of my friends. Tapos, ay hindi kasi nag-sync in initially eh. So, inisip ko pa kung sinong Barbie. I had to look it up sa internet. Tapos, nung na-realize ko na siya, parang hindi pa rin nag-sync in and it took a few hours na talagang wala na siya. And daming friends na nag-react. So, alam mo, ako kasi iba yung reaction ko pag umaga niya. So I stay quiet and hindi wala akong post whatsoever. And ayun, malungkot pero that's my way of showing respect to someone who is or say a family who's mourning someone. I stayed quiet. To be honest, ayoko sana that time ayoko makisawsaw. Pero eventually, yung dami kong friends nagsabi na, I think you should sing the song. Sabi ko, medyo hesitant ako eh kasi a lot of people are sad and ayoko sana pero ang dami talaga nag-message. Sabi nila it was a very big part of their childhood. Isang buong generation ito sa Pilipinas na umaga't gabi ang iniisip Meteor Garden. So, na-realize ko hindi kami personally magkakilala ni Barbie pero yeah, tama pala no, connected kami somehow. So I think as a show of respect, kailangan ko kantahin tong song na to to give my final respects and of course show of gratitude to millions of people who supported Meteor Garden. So yun yung naramdaman ko. Sabi ko, sige, kakantahin ko. It took 2 days yata before ko na post yung song. And I felt na hindi ko ito moment, but I am part of Barbie's life, no? Being someone who shared the fame from Meteor Garden.